So there's one more way in which I use the hypothesis environment this semester. In addition to your comments and replies and questions about the material, I'm also hoping this semester to use the hypothesis tool as a place for us to aggregate and share helpful videos on the topic. There is a lot of video content out there in the world on the internet that explains how to think about and how to do the math content in our course. It's just, the internet is rife with it. Some videos are more helpful than others. And so what I'd like for you to do this semester is to track down videos that you found helpful to understand the content that we're working on. And then when you find those videos, post a hyperlink to them in a hypothesis comment. So yes, you can double count one of these comments as a contributed video. So if one of the comments that you post on an assignment not only sort of discusses something that you notice or wonder or asks a relevant question, but also includes a video hyperlink where you explain why that video was helpful to you, then that will count both as a reading assignment contribution and also as a contributed video. So how that works. So let me just imagine a world in which we're working in order of operations, let's say. So maybe I'm struggling and having some issues understanding how to do it. There already are, in some sections of this online book, there already are some videos that are just right there in line. So those ones are off limits for your contributions. But if you go look elsewhere on the web, let's imagine that I find something that I find especially valuable, right, to help me understand what's going on. I'm just going to use this as an example. Then what I'll do to post a link to that inside of Hypothesis is I'll choose within YouTube, there's a share option, which just gives me a URL that I can copy. So I'm just going to hit copy or choose edit copy to copy that link. And then back in the textbook, when I add my comment, so wherever I add it, maybe standard order of operations, maybe I'll add my annotation right there. When I add my annotation, I'm going to say something like, here's a video about a song that I found helpful to remember how to use the order of operations, or something like that. To actually add the hyperlink, highlight a chunk of text in your comment, doesn't really matter what, and then choose this link button. It's right here, insert link. And then that's going to highlight a little place for you to insert your link itself, and so there you'll just paste the link that we copied. So it's going to look a little funny inside the text box, but before you submit it, you might want to choose Preview here just to verify that the link is going to show up in the right way. I'm also going to verify that we're choosing the Math Readiness Summer 17 link. That's weird. And then I'm going to just choose to post. And so what the comment ends up looking like is it just looks like any other comment, but it has this hyperlink to a video embedded within it. And if you click that hyperlink, it should pop out and show us what the video is. So for these contributions, what I'm going to be looking for is mostly that the video is relevant to the topic, right? So you know, something unrelated or related to a different topic of mathematics, that's not something we want. And that you explain in the comment why you thought the video was helpful for your understanding. Also, lengthwise, try not to link to videos that are super long. There are a lot of, on all these topics, shorter videos of 5 to 10 to 15 minutes, no more than 20, that should be good enough to help understand. So I don't want you to link to a whole hour-long lecture on one topic. Try and find the shorter little bits and bytes to keep people's attention. So there are 12 topic areas for the semester, and if you look in your grade sheet, there's really only 9 checkboxes for contributed videos, so it's not something that you should feel like you have to do, certainly not in every section of the textbook, and not even in every topic area for the semester unless you really want to. So try and save these for the times when you really feel like you needed to reach outside of the text to find an additional video that you found helpful. And for each topic area in which you contribute a video, that'll be a check mark in this list.